Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the Cozy Comfort Throw. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the compact blanket stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. This is going to be for the width of your blanket. I'm going to make 176 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make a half double crochet into that same chain that you made the single crochet in. Then make another half double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet and half double crochet you had just made. So that's a single crochet and 2 half double crochets in that same chain. Skip 2 chains into the next one, make that same thing, single crochet, half double, and half double all in that same chain. Skip 2 chains into the next one, single crochet, half double, and half double together. Skip 2 chains into that next one, single crochet, half double, and half double together. Skip 2 chains into that next one, single crochet, half double, and half double. You would now repeat this sequence until you get to the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. Skip 2 like you've been doing. Into the last chain of your row, make 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. To start this row, you're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, you're going to make a single crochet and then 2 half double crochet into that same stitch with that single crochet you just made. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next one, same thing, make that single crochet, half double crochet, and half double crochet all in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next one, single crochet, half double, and half double all in that same stitch together. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next one, single crochet, half double, and half double all in the same stitch together. You're now going to repeat this until you have 1 stitch left in your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work 1 half double crochet by itself in that last stitch to complete your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue making rows for the rest of my example blanket, and I will come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my example blanket turned out. I ended up making 120 rows total. If you're wondering about the colors, I made 15 panels of 8 rows for the colors. And that is going to be how to make my cozy comfort throw. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.